Okay, continue with the zoom menu from here. In the zoom menu, we have a lots of important command for zooming. Some of these command are here. I told you before, but I say it again. In the zoom menu, you can zoom in or out with a plus or negative icon in keyboard or scrolling the mouse, and then pan with click and drag. When you zoom in, you can use auto zoom for zoom back in the fit to window, and you can customize zoom and write it here. We are in a setting, going to the setting. As you can see, when we zoom, we have a special rate. You can go into the setting. In the image, in here, zoom level, it has 5 steps for each zoom level. You can change that, but it's very nice for me. Another is actual size. It's actual size in a pixel. This is the actual size of the image in a pixel. And here in these 3 options are here. You can try it here. Scale to the feet, scale to the width. For example, as you can see, scale to the width. The image try to constant the width, these 2 border to the border of software canvas, as you can see. Constant width. The constant height, try to constant its height to the height of the software, as you can see, constant to this border. I prefer scale to the fit to see all image here. Scale to the fit, and you can scale to the fill. As you can see, when we change the canvas of the color, this area are the background empty. This option try to fill the image. As you can see, some of the image are not appear, but it fill whole software canvas. Okay, this is zoom option, zoom menu. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release. Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.